Good morning, respected judges. The title of my product is Design Novel Benzene Sulfonide and Thiazole based anti-diabetic agent. So, diabetes is a chronic metabolic disease characterized by elevated level of the blood glucose or blood sugar, which lead over time to serious damage to the heart, blood vessels, eyes, kidneys, and nerves. For the treatment of the diabetes mellitus, regulation of the postpartum hyperglycemia is recommended. So, inhibition of the digestive enzymes such as alpha glucosidase and alpha amylase through inhibitor decrease the breakdown of the starch and delay the intestinal glucose absorption. So the function of the alpha amylase and alpha glucosidase is to chop down the complex starch into the simple glucose that lead to the increase the blood glucose level. So the inhibitor of these two enzymes, alpha amylase or the alpha glucosidase, can decrease the absorption of the glucose and then decrease the elevation of the blood glucose level. So we took the idea from our previous synthesized series. For example, this one series also contains the benzazole derivative, and then but all the idea has been taken from the previously reported drugs which contain the benzene derivative or which contain the thiazole or triazole derivative. So the objective of our research is to design the novel series which contain benzene sulfonide on this pyrrole pyridine based thiazole or triazole derivative and test the inhibitory potential against the alpha glucosidase and the alpha amylase and cytotoxicity against the T3 mouse fibroblast cell line, and to establish the structure activity relationship and carry out the molecular docking studies of the most active analogs. So the first series synthesis started from the starting material aminophenol, which treated with react with the carbon disulfide, form this mercaptobenzazole, which react with the different substituents of the phenylacyl bromide and lead to the synthesis of the intermediate 3 react with the hydrazine hydride, form this hydrazone shift basis, and hydrazone shift basis react with this substituted benzene sulfonyl chloride, lead to the synthesis of 22 novel derivative which contain the benzazole based sulfonide derivative. So you can see this skeleton is same as here, and then second series has started from the carbohydrates and we treated with this thiocyanide and react and then form this carbothiamide, which react with the sodium hydroxide, form the triazothiol, which react with the substituted phenyl bromide, lead to the synthesis of the 24 derivative which contain the thiazole triazole analog. Hence all the analogs has been subjected for alpha glucosidase and alpha amylase inhibitory activity, and we have found compound number 1, 2 and compound number 5, 6, 7, 8 all are the potent inhibitor of alpha glucosidase and tyrosinase. All contain the dichloro group. In compound number 1, compound number 2 and 3 is same, and in compound number 6, 7 and 8 7 and 8 contain the nitro group, electron withdrawal group. So these so we have concluded that the substituent which contain the derivative which contain the chloro group and the nitro group are the most potent inhibitor of alpha glucosidase and the alpha amylase, and the same as for the second series which having the electron withdrawal group at para position and electron withdrawal group at the ortho position, and all the potent most active one subjected for the docking studies and shows the active inhibition or the interaction with the negative side of the enzyme, and then the novelty is this product is simple, the synthesis is simple and efficient, and all analogs are more potent than the previously reported, and that can be commerciable, and this is our achievement of this from this work. Thank you very much.